Dobrý den, vítejte na AV Manii. Jsme u Toshiby a máme tady vzácného hosta, jmenuje se Tatsuhiro Nishioka a je to vynálezce 3D televize od Toshiby, to je taková ta bezbrýlová v současné době, ale se podílí na řadě dalších věcí, takže určitě se zeptáme na nějaké zajímavé věci. You as a software specialist during the 3D TV inventor days, when in the development of the 3D TV you got involved, can you just give us a glimpse of how the development of the 3D TV works?
Well, it's a very long story. It's hard to just make it short, but I'll try my best.
Yeah.
The thing is, we're working on this improving the quality of the 3D, and then I have been involved as a software architect. That means like a design chief for the software engineering, and then I also was looking for the 3D quality as well.
Yeah.
And so we were very struggling with improving the 3D quality because it's a very first product. And so it was a very hard thing, but we have been just spending all the nights for a longer time, and finally we can just improve the quality of the 3D and overcoming a lot of problems during the prototype.
Whose idea was to use the front-facing camera for adjusting the picture?
Oh, it's an R&D team. Actually, I'm in the software production, and there is a different, R&D team working very hard on the face tracking things. And it was an amazing technology. Once, for the first time I saw that technology, I definitely feel that we need to do that. And there's so many just hollows and the difficulties in implementing that one, but we overcome that, and we are very happy and proud of that.
Yeah, but unfortunately, finally, on the commercial side, the passive 3D won. Just the glasses, passive displays.
Yes.
And is it only because of the price, or what's your opinion about why your super technology really didn't succeed?
I see. Well, the thing is that there is several different reasons, I believe. The glasses 3D actually needs the very special contents, basically. Of course, we can do the 2D, 3D conversions inside of the TV, but well, it's better having the real native glasses 3D software, I mean, like movies and things like that. But it's hard to just create the native free 3D, glasses free 3D content. So that's one reason. Another reason, of course, is the price, because it's a very high-end things. It has a very special designs the lens. So there are both of the reason, I think. But I think, I don't think it's a very sad thing, because we still use the same 3D technology for the B2B use, especially for the medical use. We have a very good reputation on that area. And also, the most of the technology we learned and we developed in the glasses-free 3D TV are now used in 4K. Because in the signal processing, a very huge amount of the signal processing can be shared with the 3D processing and the 4K. And also we introduced the depth recognition while we are just transferring the 2D to 3D. And that technology is currently used in our upscaling technology, the 4K, for better natural depths. That's why you can just feel the, just like the 3D kind of like feeling when you see the 2D image with the 4K.
So you're basically
TV.
using the 3D recognition for displaying 2D content in 4K, for example. If you're
Yes, right. So when upscaling, to just have a better, precise, picture optimization, so that you can just feel the natural depths. That's really important for the upscaling, and we do care about that. Yes. So
this leads to my next question: which technological improvements could improve the viewing experience?
I think it's a precision and the detail, very very precise digital processing. And we do care about the depth,
Yeah.
natural depth. So the very big factor of feeling the natural depth is the very delicate color changes, color gradation around the edges of the object, like here,
Yep.
like here, edge
Yeah.
of the table. So we do carefully handle the signals
Yes.
while we are just processing in our SoC. The reason is that there is a calculation error because the number of the bits of the information we are handling is limited, like 8-bit, 10-bit, 14 bits. So there is some kind of calculation, very small amount of calculation error. So correcting all those errors and then handling those things is really hard. But we do care about those kind of precision and the correctness of those gradation for everything's for the great experience. So the combination of our software and the SoC, everything is for the better depth and the picture quality.
Yeah,
But
and
we do careful.
What about next-gen TV technology for the future? Not just improving
Picture
LCDs,
quality, LCDs,
but
yes.
going forward. So
We always seeking for the new technologies, just like a Glasses 3D or 4K.
Yep.
And then next one is probably could be on the premium 2K as well.
yeah,
And actually the thing is wider color gamut, for example, and high nit numbers. And we also just, we are introducing those technologies, not only with the Ultra HD 4K, but for the premium 2K. And the reason is that the higher nit number can just produce the higher contrast. That is good for having the better, 3D-like experience or the wow experience. And also, the wider color gamut can just produce very close to what your eyes are just catching. So these two are really, really important things.
yeah. And what about Dolby Vision? If you
Oh yes, Dolby Vision is also the great technologies. But Dolby Vision also needs to just get the collaborative works, not only in the TV side, but also the production side.
Yeah, I know this is whole chain.
Yes, exactly.
But if you are part of the chain,
Sure. Of course, we are always, working together with the Dolby or the studios, and we're talking, discussing all those new technologies together, and everything for the better viewing experience. But of course, we need to just, wait for the market needs or the budget limitation, things like that. This is not only with the TV business, but also with the, films and the Dolby's, distribution, all the things. So we are just working together, just going forward step by step, together. So we are hoping that we can just, introduce those kind of new technologies that can just have a very great wow experience at home.
And do you see any future for OLED? If you see it as a possible alternative, or just technology for the future?
Well, to me or to Toshiba, the different kinds of the panel technology or the backlight technologies is just tools for just providing the great viewing experience. Of course, OLED is a great technology, but also it has the very big quality problem when it comes large.
Yeah.
So we are waiting for always awaiting for having the better panels, but at the same time, somehow the LCD technology is getting better and better, especially with the wider color gamut, the high nit numbers. So we are very, excited about those new technologies as well. Not only with the OLED, but with the LCD things. So the thing, is that of course it's hard to just produce those kind of OLED technologies. We don't provide any panels anymore. So, but I understand that. But that's okay. As far as we can just have a new technology like a better LCD or the better OLED or better new different kind of things, we really want to use that. Yeah, so we always just researching and analyzing all new technology. If we can use that, considering the cost and the quality, then we definitely want to use that. Everything's for users' wow experience and great viewing experience.
Yeah.